All right, Steve Harrigan in the DR. Keep us posted. Thank you very much. Hong Kong's leader indefinitely suspends that controversial extradition bill following days of massive protests. And while the government hoped this would stop the demonstrations, local activists say it's not enough.
To so many times that we have learned that the government cannot be trusted. So we believe that Hong Kong people will not accept that. And Hong Kong people do understand that we have to take to the streets.
Ryan Chilcote has more on this story.
Rick, this is a major climb down from the government in Hong Kong, postponing this bill that would have allowed people in Hong Kong, which is part of China, but has its own political system, to be extradited to mainland China. Now, over the last week, people in Hong Kong have made it abundantly clear they don't like this bill. On Wednesday, you had the police clashing with young protesters. At one point, those young protesters blockading the entrance to the parliament so that the politicians there simply couldn't even debate this bill. Rewind the tape a little bit further to Sunday, when we saw the largest demonstrations in Hong Kong since 1997, when Hong Kong was given back by the British to China. 1 million people out of a population of just over 7 million took to the streets. Now, what's the big deal here? Well, if people from Hong Kong can be extradited to mainland China, then of course they can be tried in mainland Chinese courts, and clearly people in Hong Kong just don't trust those courts. Where does this go from here? Well, that's something that we're likely to learn tomorrow. On Sunday, 1 million people are expected to take to the streets again. They aren't happy with this bill simply being postponed. They want it scrapped altogether, and many of them also want the head of the government in Hong Kong to resign. Rick?
Ryan Chilcote reporting. Ryan, thank you.